I'm Kendra.
And we are going to be doing a cover of
Firework
by Katy. So we'll see how this goes.
First cover.
Okay. My heart is like pumping. I don't even know why. Okay.
I know, we're not even like performing to anyone.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under streets where no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, and there's a spark in you? You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go You're gonna leave 'em all in awe. You don't have to feel like a waste of space. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds, after a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe the reason why all the doors are closed, so you could open one that leads you to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow, and when it's time you'll know. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go as you shoot across the sky. I keep going. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go You're gonna leave 'em all in awe. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. It's always been inside of you, you. And now it's time to let it through. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come and show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go You're gonna leave 'em all in awe. Boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. It's always been inside of you, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon.
Yeah!
That really
So, yeah, we call ourselves Ifinite Ending, and we're kind of new here.
So that's probably why we like
Wow.
art is good. And it's like hard for us like to talk to you because like
We're talking to a camera.
yeah, so it's kind of weird, but we'll get used to it. So subscribe to us if you like our video and give us a thumbs up, and give us a thumbs down if you don't like us, because then it will help us grow. And
It will help our seed bloom into a beautiful flower.
Go ahead and be a hater, it's alright, but hopefully you aren't a hater, and hopefully you will.
Because haters are bad.
Yes, haters gonna hate.
And potatoes gonna potate. Okay, bye!